how to add multiple stops on Lyft. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can add multiple stops on Lyft, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to add multiple stops on Lyft, right, so let's say whenever you're maybe booking a ride on the Lyft app, you just want to add multiple stops. What you actually want to do is just tap on enter pickup location option whenever you're choosing the first pickup location over here, right? So let me choose the first pickup location in this case, and then I'll search for a location. After that, if you want to add multiple stops to your Lyft ride, what you actually want to do is you'll find this option called plus icon that is right between the start and the destination option. So just make sure to tap this plus option over here, and here you'll find add stop option. So you just have to tap on the add stop option. Make sure to simply enter a stop that you would like to add in this case, and then just like that, you would have successfully added your stops on the Lyft app. Now similarly, if you would like to enter your destination, you can go ahead and then enter your destination as well if you'd prefer that. And this way you can add multiple stops on Lyft. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, then as always, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.